Hey guys, welcome back to another Civil 3D Forum fix for the day. A couple of days ago, I have seen a post or someone has sent this post link on my inbox to solve this or show the clear cover information for the pipe networks on the profile view for particular interval. As you can see, a sample of profile view or the outcome of the clear cover in the profile view for every 10 meter or some particular interval. So let's see how we're gonna show this information back on the profile where the user has already attached the drawing. So I'm gonna minimize this image and then go back to the Civil 3D drawing. So I have opened the Civil 3D drawing. So here the user already draw the profile and added the manholes and structures or manholes and structures pipe on the profile view. I just turned on the outer diameter of the pipe on the profile view. So we can't add, or it's pretty much tricky to show the pipe data for certain interval since the gravity network will runs based on the node to node or pipe start to pipe end, pretty much easy to construct. But still, some of the clients required those informations on certain interval. So on that node, how are we going to show that? So I'm going to use a design profile option here to show the particular informations. So I'm going to show I'm going to click on the profile view. I'm going to call this as a pipe top. So, and then I would like to add a none pipe profile label set. I would like to keep the same style. Okay. So I would like to draw tangents across the pipe top here. So I'm going to keep only endpoint on the OSNAP setting. So I'm going to choose the first point and the second point and third point, so on. So I'm done with the pipe top. So I'm going to close this tool. I'm going to go select the profile view, right click, profile view properties. Here I'm going to use the cut data to show the difference from the top of ground to the pipe top. So for that I'm going to use a cut data. I'm going to take a copy of the same and I'm going to change the name of cut to, so I'm going to have clear cover. Okay, so I'm not going to change anything here. I'm going to leave the rest of the setting as it is, and I'm going to add this. Okay, so I'm going to change the gap 0. So I would like to show this the show label. I'm going to show the labels on the profile view. I would like to have this some unique name rather than having cut data copy. So have edit current selection, go to information. So I'm going to have a clear cover. Okay, okay. I'm going to drag this and choose a different profile view here. So I'm going to have a profile 2 as a pipe top. Play. Okay. So we can see the clear cover information here and then the clear cover on the particular interval back here. So that's how you're going to have clear cover information or whatever the information is required with respect to the pipe data. However, we can't have this information, by default for the pipe data. It's pretty much tricky to have. So the best option to have is draw the design profile across the pipe top and then show however you want. Pretty much it's same for have for the pipe inward level or however wherever you want, have draw the design profile and then show. It's very easy. Thank you.